Before I show you the turbo flutter, I'm going to show you guys how to install it. Doesn't fucking take long, it only take like 5 minutes. All you have to do is cut up like any kind of can, as long as it's tin, Coke, Solo, all the same fucking shit. So I'm going to show you guys how to take it off, how to install, and then I'm going to go for a drive and we're going to hear it go fucking. So what you want to do is get a 12mm to remove this bolt. So it's just a 12mm, there's another one on the other side. So you just remove those two, get pliers to remove this hose, and this is an 8mm. And all you have to do is untake that and this will pop right out. And as you can see, the bulb has come out. It's not rocket science, pretty easy to take out. So basically you just pop it out. Some shitty gasket on that should clean it up. But anyway, let's go put the tin on it. What you guys are gonna need is scissors and a can. So grab any kind of can, any pair of scissors. Don't know why I couldn't say that properly. And you're gonna line it up with this part. We're gonna be blocking that so the spring doesn't push through. So that way it just goes straight out the turbo and it's gonna go. So I'll show you guys how to do that now.
This is our mate over here. Yep. This is his V8 turbo.
I bought this car a couple of months ago. For stock T3 stock as a rock. Let's put a bigger front mount, bigger T4 turbo, aftermarket extractors. Before that, before the stock turbo was running about 13.8. Now it's running about 12s. Factory, yeah, BT1 X copper.
Factory turbo?
Yep.
Did they do that to the front bar, or was that you're doing?
What was that?
Did they do that to the front bar, the coppers, or?
Yeah.
Nice one. Alright, cool man, it's pretty tidy.
It sounds fucking sick, give this a fucking listen. Fuck yeah! Let's go for a test drive. I hope you guys can hear that flutter. Oh man, it's just a funny noise to have. It's not like I'm gonna have it forever. I'm just doing it for shits and gigs, you know. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know there wasn't much really of it. I didn't want to film outside of the car because I had nowhere to place the camera. There's a lot of people in the street. I don't want anyone pinching my camera. So I hope you guys understand that. And to our new subscribers, welcome. You know, Smile 33, Josh is an R32 GTR. There's a bunch of videos on our cars. And there's plenty more to come, guys. We're trying to make time for it all. It's just that we have busy lives, but you know, we're doing what we can. I think we're doing pretty well for considering we haven't even got 30 videos out. We're nearly on 1,000 subs. And this is new YouTube bullshit where they're like, oh, you're not getting paid anymore unless you got 4,000 hours and 1,000 subs. But I don't give a shit about that stuff. We're here to, you know, have fun. yeah, it's good to be paid, but who gives a shit? We made a couple $100 and so fucking what? You know, it's the fun of it all, showing you guys what we do with our cars, you know? So anyway, cheers for watching, liking, commenting, you know, we always check that stuff, so if you want to talk to us, you can talk to us, we're not going to fucking dog you.